Hello dear friends, welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through two methods to regain access to your Gmail account if you lost your phone number, recovery email, or even the password. To begin, open your preferred browser. In this demonstration, I'm using the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Gmail Recovery. Choose the second option, which is Account Support. Next, enter the Gmail address you wish to recover and click Next. If prompted for your password, select Try a different question. If you have additional security questions enabled, such as login from mobile phone, you can easily regain access. Alternatively, I'll provide you with another method if the first one doesn't work. For the second solution, open your Play Store app. Ensure it's signed into an existing Gmail account. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then select the last option, Help and Feedback. Under Contact Us, choose Gmail Account Recovery. Type Gmail Account Recovery and click Next. Select Other under the description of the issue and specify Google Play Apps. Click Next Step. Scroll down and click on How to recover your Google account or Gmail. You'll be redirected to a new page. Skip through the options until you reach the bottom section. Under Still Can't Sign In, click Try these tips for account recovery. On the new page, click Account Recovery page. Enter your email and tap Next. If your account was recently deleted and is recoverable, click Next to attempt restoration. Enter your password and your account will be successfully recovered. I have already logged into multiple accounts, so I am not being able to log into a new account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you regain access to your Gmail account.